Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Sales Funnel Masterclass. My name is Somshekhar Matt. I would be your instructor throughout this process. So once again, I'm glad that you have took this step forward to learn about Sales Funnel and how to increase your sales with Sales Funnel. This is the quick introduction and overview and brief about what you'd be learning inside this course. The first section, what we'll be covering is what is sales funnel, why it is important for your business, what are the components of sales funnel. Second section is the art of selling, fulfilling your needs and mastering the basic of selling. The first lesson is on what sells, what does not. Second lesson is on identifying your buyer pain points. Third lesson is identifying your buyer desire. Fourth lesson is the AIDA formula, that is attention, interest, desire and action formula. And section 3 is an audience, buyer persona, target audience. Who is your customer avatar? Where is your customer avatar? So this is the lesson 1 and lesson 2, and section 4 would be on lead generation. Why should have a lead generation? Types of lead magnets. Why lead generation is the first lesson. Second lesson is different types of leads and lead generation. Lesson 3 is on lead magnet, and section number 5, that is on sales funnel, different types of sales funnel. The lesson 1 is basic anatomy of sales funnel. Lesson 2 is front end and back end sales funnel. Lesson 3 is self-liquidating sales funnel, and lesson 4 is the profit funnel. And the section 6 would be the what to offer in your funnel. The lesson 1 is Tripwire funnel, Tripwire offer, one-time offer. Lesson 3 is the upsell, and lesson 4 is downsells. The section 7, tech and automation, sites and apps, what we use it. Lesson 1 is program for full sales funnel, program 2 for the programming of landing page. Lesson 3 is programs for email marketing, and section 6. And now the section 8 is on building out the funnels. Lesson 1, choosing the best funnel for your business type, optimizing your landing page, optimizing your sales funnel, and section email marketing, basic concepts of moving the people through your funnel with the help of content, email broadcasting, email follow-ups and email nurturing system. So this is what the course curriculum is. You can deep dive and just start learning about sales funnel. Thank you very much, and once again I want to appreciate you. You have taken the first step towards learning sales funnel. It's my honor and privilege that you had made the decisions. So please go through with the course, complete course by step-by-step process and check out the first section now. Thank you very much. See you inside the course.